Hello, fellow Scrummers! I'm proud to say that Reading Day, or Reading Weekend as it turned out to be, was a complete success. I managed to read through all of Clean Code, a handbook of agile software craftsmanship by Robert, Uncle Bob Martin, and I have to ask, where was this book at the start of my project? Forget that, where was this book at the start of my career? Most books will teach you how to write software that works. Some books will teach you how to test that software. This book will teach your software how to behave in the real world, how to use proper diction, maintain posture, and not to wear white after Labor Day. In Clean Code, you'll learn some of the fuzzier unwritten rules for the science of software development. Rules like how to comment, how many arguments should go into your functions, what those functions should do or not do. All these rules are followed or broken in the service of a very strong set of basic, unbreakable principles. Your code should be readable. It should be atomic, meaning you should be able to take it apart and fix it without breaking other parts of the code. It should work. It sounds like common sense, but in the gravity of deadlines, budgets, and non-technical managers, it often gets filed under, I'll do it later. You might get intimidated by some of the knowledge of this book. Some of the code samples are kind of obtuse. You might not understand them the first time through, but read it through anyway. If that doesn't work, go to cleancoders.com where you can get a screencast of any chapter you're unclear on. The point is that you need to realize that this knowledge exists, which is the first step to cramming it into your brain. Now for today's work on gameplaydate.com. We are almost through the main three user verbs that I have on the front page. We can now add games and personas to our user profiles. We can find our friends through a paginated list of users. And now we need to make sure that users can accept or decline event invites. Once that's done, we'll have a very basic version of the site on hand. From there, I'll start on one hell of a refactoring and then begin to refine the user interface. See you next time.